Hello guys, in this video we will see how to delete or remove or empty a file content in Linux. Before going to see the examples, once we remove the file contents, we cannot restore in Linux. Okay, be caution about this. In this video I am going to show you to empty or delete contents of file by 8 ways. Number 1 is redirecting to null, 2 using cat command, and 3 using true command, and fourth is using -dev and null, fifth is using the echo command, sixth is by using truncate command, seventh is by using remove, that is rm and touch command, and last way is by using sed command. Sed means stream editor. Let's see the example one. Whatever the commands I am going to execute in this video are available in the video description. Let's open terminal and create a file man date to backups.txt. Assume we are going to use this file to remove or empty or delete the contents of this file. Let's verify. ls-ltrh. See, size of this file is 6.5 kilobytes. Okay. First method is redirecting to null. Simply give greater than symbol and file name. Here file name is backups.txt. It's a success. Let's verify the size of the file. ls-ltrh. See, before size was 6.5 KB. Now it has changed to 0 bytes. Also, let's verify the contents of that file. See, file doesn't contain any information. Second method is by using cat command. Again, I am creating the file with the same command. Let's see the size again. See, size is 6.5 kilobytes. Okay. Cat greater than symbol and then use the file name. Press enter and press Ctrl D from your keyboard. Now verify the size of the file, whether the content has been removed or not. See, now the file size has come down to 0, which means we have removed the file. Okay. Third method is by using true command. True. Before that, we have to create the file. See, size is again 6.5 kilobytes. True. Greater than symbol, then file name. Verify. See, file size has become 0. Again, create the file. Any file. For our purpose, I am using this date manual. Next method, by using echo command. Echo, then greater than symbol, then file name. File name. ls-ltrh backups.txt. See, before file size was 0, but here it is 1, which means it is not null, but it doesn't contain any information. See, File doesn't contain any information, but it is null file. Create file. Again create. Next method, by using dev/null. Cat dev/dev null, then greater than symbol backups.txt. Verify the file size. See, size has become to 0. Next method, by using truncate command. Okay, truncate -s, then 0, then file name. Let's verify. See, we have removed the content of the file. Next method, by using remove and touch command. See, size is 6.5 kilobytes. Remove backups.txt, then put the semicolon at the end of file name, then touch and give the same file name. See, size has become 0. We just removed and we have created. Last method, by using set command, that is streaming editor. Man date, then greater than backups.txt and press enter. Again ls-ltrh files, file name. See, size is 6.5 kilobytes. Command is set -9, then d, then file name. Here file name is backups.txt and press enter. Let's verify the size of the file. See, size has become 0. So, in this video we have seen 8 ways to remove or delete or empty file content in Linux. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.